back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I have seen in the past in the comments where people want those quality assurance type jobs where you don't actually have to be on the phone, but if you have great customer service skills, you might be able to listen to a recorded phone call that someone else has made and be able to give them feedback and coach them on what they should be doing better or different. So if that is something you're interested in, this job lead is just for you. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Modernize. Now, they have 76 reviews on their Glassdoor page with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. Glassdoor says Modernize is now part of the Quinn Street family. Quinn Street also has a 4.0 out of 5 stars, but they have a lot more reviews. They have a 457 reviews. But on the Modernize page that I have linked down below, if you scroll down a little bit, they are hiring a contact center specialist for their quality assurance. This is remote for the United States. Now, one thing to quickly note about this position, it is a part-time position. They're offering hours anywhere from 23 hours a week all the way up to 29 and a half hours a week. But they're basically looking for somebody to monitor and analyze their customer calls to identify areas of improvement in terms of homeowner satisfaction, agent performance, and client requirements. You'll conduct audits on those recorded phone calls and generate findings and recommendations along with timelines for corrective action to address any identified issues that you come across. You'll process compliance requests and ensure accurate and up-to-date documentation revisions. You'll utilize in-depth knowledge of client-specific call and product requirements to prepare comprehensive reports. And of course, you'll help create, modify, and maintain documentation to track scripting and process changes. And you'll provide that feedback to management to drive the quality of the customer service team. So your job is completely non-phone, listening to those phone calls and providing that feedback. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 6 months of experience in customer service in a contact center role, someone who understands data for reporting purposes, and it is a plus if you have experience with Five9 or Jira or Confluence, but that is not a requirement. Now, of course, this is a part-time position, so it doesn't really come with a benefit package, but pay for this position ranges anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.